If you want to level up your life, start with tiny habits. Just like every hero starts with their first step. 1. Morning reset. When you wake up, sit up, breathe deeply, and start your day with intention. One calm breath can change your whole morning. 2. Hydrate and get sunlight. Drink water and get a little sunlight. Think of it as refilling your energy bar before the day begins. 3. 5 minutes of stillness. Take 5 minutes to breathe, meditate, or simply clear your mind. This is your mental training arc. 4. Micro workout, move your body. Even a few squats or stretches, what matters is building momentum, not perfection. 5. Protein breakfast. Eat something high in protein. It keeps your energy steady so you can focus without burning out. 6. Deep work mode. Turn off distractions and give 30 to 45 minutes to your most important task. One focused session can shift your entire day. 7. Midday recharge. Step outside, breathe, read a page of something meaningful, recover like a hero between battles. 8. Creative side quest. Do one creative thing, draw, write, play music, anything that brings joy. 9. Evening wind down. At night, slow everything down. No screens, reflect on your day, and set one simple intention for tomorrow. 10. Sleep early, aim to sleep before 10 p.m. Even heroes need recovery to grow. Start with just one step today. Comment your goal below and subscribe if you want more anime-inspired guidance to level up your life.